Hello, today you're looking at a Rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. Is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. Weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. Can be run in automatic mode from a PLC or manual mode, which is what we have it in currently. Very nice working condition. Take a look at the inside here for you. And we'll come back around. It's in manual mode. We'll start it up. And the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.